Dairy farming is a labor of love. You're not only looking after the land, but you're caring for a life. I'm Courtney Guerra. I'm a farmer myself. And although I work hard to bring food to some of the finest restaurants, I don't do what these women do. I'm about to meet Tara Meyer. She sustainably operates Meyer Dairy. It's one of the thousands of individual farmer-owned dairy farms that make up the cooperative Land O'Lakes. Today, I'm gonna see if I can help out on her farm. Tara?
Hey, Courtney!
Hi.
Welcome to Meyer Dairy. This is so awesome to have you here.
It's so great to be here. That sunrise is epic. Your farm is beautiful.
Yeah, it was a gorgeous morning out this morning.
It was.
So,
What are you up to right now?
Yeah, I'm just finishing up feeding calves.
So is this kind of a typical morning for you?
Yes, at 5:30 I get up, I feed them milk, feed them grain, and then I do that again in the evenings as well.
Well, I'm happy to help however
absolutely.
you need.
Do you want to give this one some grain? I was just finishing that up.
Hi, little one. Yeah.
I better run up to the house. I got to get the kids ready for school. So these babies are taken care of. I better go take care of my own babies.
All right.
Hey, Tyler. Bright out there, huh? Morning. Don't cut my finger off.
50 feet away from her house, she is a working woman running a farm, and she steps into this space and instantly she puts on a new hat.
Love you.
She is Mama Tara.
All right, let's hit the road. A work-life balance on the farm is difficult because the lines are so blurred. I mean, I'm up taking care of my calf babies, and then I'm in the house getting up my kids and getting them prepared and prepped for school, and then once they're at school, I'm back nurturing the heifers and the young stock again.
I feel like you're surrounded by creatures who need you. Kids and husbands and cows. And does that ever get overwhelming?
Right now, I've got a good flow.
Is this part of your daily responsibility?
Yeah, all of these heifers are under my kind of realm of responsibility. And there's about 250 heifers on site.
So you basically have like 250 children around you, Tara. That's impressive.
As long as they're all up and perky, you know, things are trucking along really well down here. So
typical mom stuff.
Yeah.
Just making sure everyone's doing okay.
Doing the
having
check-in.
a good day.
Yeah, I mean, even this feed, if you look at it, we raise the hay that's in the feed. So not only am I responsible for these animals, it's also cultivating the land and making sure that we're doing everything in the fields to make sure that what we're providing our cattle is top-notch feed.
Wow. So how many acres are you guys growing on here?
So we have 550 acres. All of what we produce stays on the farm and ends up ultimately being feed for the cattle.
I love that. So they are truly eating local, right?
Yes, absolutely. You can't get much more local than their backyard.
You are what you eat, right? So if they're eating high quality stuff, they're producing high quality milk, and that's ending up on our table.
Yeah, absolutely. Everything that we do every single day is really looking out for our kids and the kids' generation. That really gets my heart. Like, we want to do a good job.
Totally.
So, geez, it's like...
No, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful thing because we need to leave things better than we found them.
It's really important to have conversations with our kids about the land that we live on. Nick's parents raised and had life on this land. Now Nick and I are raising our kids on this land, and it's so important for us to be conscientious and caretakers of the land because we want that to be available for our kids and our kids' kids.
Hey, dude.
How's it going?
Here roll up Tyler and Maddie on their bikes, and they couldn't be cuter. I mean, I think it's so fun that they actually know exactly what's going on their farm too, and they're excited to be a part of it and show me around. Ready to help. What are we doing here?
All right, so grab a bag.
Okay.
And we'll put 2 bags in each row. Yep, Tyler, you can shut that one. That one's done. Good work.
Hey, thanks. That was fun.
It's like you've done this before.
I have not done this before, but I'm a quick learner. Getting to see the responsibility that your children have and take very seriously, do you see it shaping their character as they grow up?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, they're exposed to things that most kids don't get to do. I mean, they're working with animals. The kids know that we have things that depend on us.
Our last chore of the day is feeding the baby calves dinner. So before I feed Tara and her family, I'm gonna pitch in and help them feed the baby calves. Why is JoJo your favorite?
Because she's my fair calf. I show her at the fair.
Oh, you do?
We have to walk around in the show ring.
Tara has created an opportunity and an environment of learning and responsibility that I don't think many kids their age get. We're gonna feed JoJo. Okay, she gets one scoop, right?
Yep.
Do you want to feed her? I think you should feed her since she's your show cow. Oh, look at how excited she is.
There you go. Get it down in there. Perfect.
Good job, Maddie. Being a farmer is a relentless and thankless job. You give so much of yourself with not expecting much in return, only that you just love what you do. Cooking dinner for Tara and her family really means a lot to me. She's a working mama. She has got a lot going on. I've obviously seen that today. So if there's one thing that I can help her with today, is cooking dinner for her and her family. Thank you so much for taking the time to show me around the farm. It was so fun to experience the farm through your guys' eyes. Bon appetit. I think there is this misconception that you can't do it all, and you can find balance. You can be an example to your children, especially to your daughter, that you can have a career that you're passionate about, and you can have a place at the table, and Tara has done that fantastically here on her farm. It's okay?
Like the extra cheese?
Very good.
Got a little some chicken on your chin.
That's how you know it's good.
Really, the motherly instinct that I have has made me be a better mother to my kids, a better caregiver to my calves. And if our children see us implementing those practices, then they're gonna wanna make the farm better than Nick and I have.